Alright, this is Josh from Painting by Josh. Thank you always for tuning in and watching. We have today the new Mirka Edge Protector. This one is for the Mirka Deros 150. I'll just open it up and show you exactly what it is. Nothing too fancy, but hey, I'll tell you what, this is definitely a money saver here. So quite easy to put on. You just line it up, or even if you're doing a side, wherever you want to put it really, but it just clips underneath like that. Snug fit, there you go. Matter of seconds, it's on. That way, I'll just do a bit of sanding and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Whoop, whoop. Turn it on first. Something that's so easy and cost effective can end up saving you a lot of time and money really, which is very important. So yeah, keeps your tools nice and damage free. So here we have it, the Mirka Edge Protector.